And then we had one qualifying tournament in Cebu City. We had also one in Bicol, in Legazpi, one in Calamba, Laguna, one in Dasmariñas, Zambales, Baguio, and Pangasinan in the north. Yeah. And we have about, I think, 100 teams who participated all in all, with around 2,500 participants, including coaches and players.
Pwede ba natin sabihin ngayon yung sino na yung 14 na nasa national final?
Currently, sir, as we speak ngayon, yung Mindanao naglalaro pa. So, yung wala pa tayo for Mindanao and for North Luzon, which will happen next week sa Baguio. So, yun ba yung mga kulang natin?
So sila, sasama sila doon sa 14 or?
Yung dalawa po, ay yung dalawa